I am Dr. Narayan Hulse, Director of Orthopaedics and Joint Replacement Surgeon, Fortis Hospital, Bangalore Road, Bangalore. Fortis management acquired robotic technology on 15 September 2022, and since then we have completed over 1,000 robotic joint replacements in this hospital within a span of about 18 months.
I had terrific pain in both my knees that even for walking from this room to another, I had to use a walking stick. At that time, someone told me about Dr. Narayan Hulse in Bangalore. My daughter stays in Bangalore. She said, "Ma, if you want to do this, you come to Bangalore only. Dr. Narayan Hulse is like God," because my pain was terrific, which cannot be expressed in any language, I think. From that much pain, now I have zero pain. And also my moving is so normal. I can climb stairs, I can climb down. I am so thankful to Dr. Hulse.
Today I am here to talk about the Mako Robo system. Ever since it was launched in the year 2022, we have been able to do over 1,000 robotic surgeries. Thanks to Dr. Narayan Hulse, who has pioneered the usage of this robo and has ensured that patients get the best treatment when it comes to joint replacements. We feel this is the first of many, and there are many more to come.
My knee problem started somewhere in the 2023. I met Dr. Hulse. He was such a nice person. After meeting him, when I came to him to fix the date for operation, I asked him how about a robotic operation. He said, yes, you can go with that also. It's a surprise for me. Within 17 days, I was on my own. That pain was totally gone. Now, from struggling to walk at the age of 70 after operation, I have started my second inning of my life in the best possible manner.
We have also seen several patients who have got this knee replacement and their own family members, in fact the husband and wife, sisters, brothers, coming back here for surgery, asking for the robotic technology.
What a change! From then, when we were worried even to do ordinary nailings of the femur or tibia, now we are doing knee replacement with robotics, and the patient outcomes are really good. I am very proud to be a part of this team that is helping patients recover faster. There are people doing marathon runnings after our bilateral knees in 3 to 4 months. These were unheard of, and I am very proud that I am a part of this quality venture. All the very best, Dr. Narayan Hulse.
Using the Mako robotic technology, we have also crossed several milestones. In fact, we did the first direct anterior robotic hip replacement in the country.
Everything's been absolutely fantastic here at this hospital. Brought here straight away, and everybody's been very attentive and very experienced, in my opinion. I'm thrilled with everything that's happened, and I'm feeling great. The doctor's been way over expectations. He's been absolutely brilliant in everything. Very helpful, and again I'll say it, brilliant.
And this is just one of those landmarks. Technologies will evolve, and we will continue to develop our technologies for the betterment of the patients, and our journey will continue. Thank you.